Hi, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great today. This is Teacher Ness again of Camglish.com, and I will be your teacher in developing your English ability in grammar and pronunciation. We're going to explore, learn, and enjoy this book, Engage Level 2, together with your creative and comprehensive ideas. So now let's continue to discuss everything in our page. Okay, so did you still remember that we've studied about our affirmative and negative with our past tense was and where? Great. So for now, look at the chart. Okay, we do have here questions and answers. Okay, so if this is the questions, okay, your answers must be like this. Okay, so let's start now with question, and you have to follow after me. Okay, great. Was I, he, she, it in Asia last year? Yes. I, he, she, it was. No, I, he, she, it wasn't. Okay, so read it again now. Were you, they on vacation? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Okay, so read it again. Was there a temple in Nepal? Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. Were there many tourists? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Where were you last year? I was in Nepal. What was the weather like? It was snowy and cold. Great, so did you understand that one? Yeah, so take note that you're going to use was if it's singular and you're going to use where if it's plural, okay? Great. So as you can see, we do have here Keisha and Jerry were on vacation together. Put words in order to make questions for Jerry. For example, you in Africa on your vacation. Where? So the question is, where are you in Africa on your vacation? Great. What about number 2? Like the weather, what was? So what's the answer? Very good. So you're going to ask like this. What was the weather like? What about number 3? Where you went there? So what's the question here? Great. So you're going to ask like this. When you were there? What about number 4? Keisha, with you was. So what's the question here? Great. So was Keisha with you? What about number 5? Any special attractions were there? So what's the question here? Very good. So were there any special attractions? Very good. Okay, so let's proceed now to number 6. So we do have here much the questions from exercise 5 with the answers. For example, number 3. When you were there? The answer is last year. What about number 2? Great! So the question must be, were you in Africa on your vacation? And the answer must be like this. Yes, I was. What about number 3? Great! So, were there any special attractions? So the answer is like this. Yes, the Dragon Mountains were impressive. So that is number 5. What about number 4? What was the weather like? So the answer is, it was hot and rainy. So it is number 2. What about number 5? Great! Was Keisha with you? Yes, she was. So did you enjoy our lesson today? That's great. See you again next time. Bye.